Hello, my name is Maddie from POC English, and in this lesson, let's improve your vocabulary by learning 10 phrasal verbs that you can use to talk about traveling. The first phrasal verb that we are going to learn together is see somebody off. See somebody off. What does it mean? It means to go to an airport or to go to a station to say goodbye to somebody who's traveling, who's going on a trip. Now imagine your friend is going to immigrate, is going to travel overseas, to go to another country. What would you do? Well, if you have time and if you're a good friend, you would see them off. It means you would go to the airport with them and you would say goodbye. See somebody off. Oh, look at this example. They have gone to the airport to see their son off. They have gone to the airport to see their son off. It means the parents, mother and father, have gone to the airport. They are at the airport now. Why? To say goodbye to their son, who probably is going to another country. Goodbye. See somebody off.
He's got to see me off.
See you off.
He's got to see me off.
See you off.
I'll see you off. I'll see you off.
Came to see us off. Wait. Came to see us off. Wait.
The second phrasal verb is to set off. What does it mean? It's another way of saying to start, to begin the journey. Set off. For example, we set off for Paris at night. We set off for Paris at night. It means we started our journey, we began our trip at night to go to Paris. And remember, we have set off for a place. Set off for Paris. Set off for New York.
3 wise men set off again on their journey. 3 wise men set off again on their journey.
The next phrasal verb is about means of transport. Now, plane, train, bus. What do you do when you are at the bus station and the bus arrives? You get on the bus. To get on the bus means to enter the bus. Now you can use this phrasal verb to talk about planes. Get on the plane. To talk about trains, get on the train. So for public means of transport, plane, train, and bus, we say get on. Now, for plane, you can also say board. To board the plane or to get on the plane. What about for cars and taxis? Well, we say get in. So you get in the car, you get in the taxi, but you get on the bus. Get on the plane. Get on the train. Look at this example. We got on the wrong bus. We got on the wrong bus.
Get on that train.
Get on the plane.
Please get on the bus. Please get on the bus.
Number 5, to take off. Well, one of the meanings of take off is for your clothes. When you take them off, it's really hot. I have to take off this sweater. Take off. But when it comes to traveling, take off can be used for an airplane that is leaving the airport. Right? So at what time is the plane taking off? Well, the plane is taking off at around midnight. Take off for a plane means to leave.
Trumpet, I rearranged the letters right before the plane took off. Trumpet, I rearranged the letters right before the plane took off.
It's only an hour before the plane takes off. It's only an hour before the plane takes off.
Okay, now you get on the plane takes off, and then the plane lands. What would you do now? Well, you want to get off the plane. Get off the plane means to exit, means to go out. Get off the plane. It can also be used for bus and train. Get off the bus. Get off the train. Get off the plane. We got off the plane at around 11. It means we left the plane. We exited the plane at around 11.
Get off my plane! Get off my plane!
Get off the bus.
You never get off this train.
Now, you've gotten off the plane and you are at the airport. Maybe someone is there for you. Maybe someone's standing there to pick you up. pick somebody up, what does it mean? It means to let somebody get into your car and then you take them somewhere that they want to go. For example, the hotel shuttle will pick you up after you get off the plane. The hotel shuttle will pick you up after you get off the plane. It means the shuttle is waiting for you. You will enter the shuttle and the shuttle will take you to our hotel.
Pick me up at 7:30. Pick me up at 7:30.
Pick me up at 7 on Saturday. Pick me up at 7 on Saturday.
Now the driver has picked you up. And now the destination is the hotel. What happens when the car arrives at the hotel? Well, the driver will drop you off at the hotel. Drop off, what does it mean? It means to take somebody to a place and then let them be there. So the driver picks you up, takes you to the hotel, and drops you off. It means leaves you at the hotel. Look at the example. The shuttle will drop us off exactly in front of the hotel. The shuttle will drop us off exactly in front of the hotel.
Could you drop me off at school? Could you drop me off at school?
Okay, so I'll drop you off at work. Okay, so I'll drop you off at work.
Now, the driver has dropped you off in front of the hotel. What do you want to do now? You want to walk inside, and then you will see the front desk and the front desk clerk. What would you do? You would give your identity documents and you would ask for a room for a few nights. This is called to check in at a hotel. To check in at a hotel means to give your identity documents, to take the keys, and to go to your room. Check in. Look at the example. When you want to check in at a hotel, you need to show your ID card. When you want to check in at a hotel, you need to show your ID card.
I'll check into a hotel. I'll check into a hotel.
Okay, I'm gonna check in at the hotel. Okay, I'm gonna check in at the hotel.
All right, now it's over. You've stayed in the hotel for a few nights. And now, end of trip. What do you want to do? Well, you want to go home, but before that, you want to take your ID document from the hotel and give the keys back to the front desk clerk. This is called to check out. To check out means to leave the hotel, to put the keys back where they were, to get your ID card and ID documents, and then to go. To check out. Look at the example. The checkout was at 12, but we left at 11. The checkout was at 12, but we left at 11. It means at 12 we had to give up the room, but we left 1 hour earlier. We left at 11. And the last phrasal verb that we want to learn together, before I tell you, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and click subscribe if you're new to my channel. Now, let's get back to the last phrasal verb. Sometimes you feel that you really need to get away from whatever you're doing in your life for a few days. You would love to get away. What does it mean to get away? To get away means to take a vacation, to take a holiday, to go on a trip, to leave everything behind you, to get away. Oh my God, my life is very, very hectic. I'm very busy these days, but I'm tired. I just want to get away for a few days. Christmas is ahead of us. I would love to get away for a few days.
Figure we get away for a few days. Figure we get away for a few days.
So that is it, guys. We've learned 10 phrasal verbs and now it's a story time. I'm going to read a story that I have written for you using all the 10 phrasal verbs. Let's see how I have used these phrasal verbs in the story. Last Christmas, I really wanted to get away for a few days. I really wanted to get away for a few days. My girlfriend and I packed and got ready to set off for the beautiful city of Rome. We went to the airport and our parents saw us off. We got on the plane. The plane took off with 2 hours of delay, but we were excited. When we got off the plane, the hotel shuttle picked us up and after an hour of driving, dropped us off in front of the hotel. We then checked in and had 5 memorable days and nights in the magnificent city of Rome. Finally, we checked out and went to the airport to go back home. I hope you've enjoyed this lesson. As always, don't forget to let me know in the comments what videos and what contents you are more interested in so that I can videos for you. See you in the next lessons.